Hi there. I'm going to show you how you can benchmark any company against its public listed peers in under 5 minutes. Okay, let's start. First, you need a free account with Mavenpolis. You can easily register it by going to their website. In this case, I've done so. Next, you just need to go to Financial Insights and choose Annual MavInsights, which is the tool that you're going to use. Okay, in this case, the tool MavInsights is loaded, and I'm going to think which company I'm going to select. I've decided to choose Microsoft. So in this case, I just go to stockanalysis.com, which has free financial data, and choose and type in MSFT. Okay, and select Microsoft. Microsoft will load up. Next, I just need to go to financials, and I get the financial data here, right? Okay, and the balance sheet as well. All I need to do is copy this financial data and paste it into Excel. Okay, press Ctrl C. Okay, and go to Excel and paste, and voila, you have all the data here. You wouldn't need the last column, so just delete it, and you can expand all the columns here, and you can see that you have all the financial information, the balance sheet information. Okay, what you need to do is make sure, it's very important that the A1 cell is a name year. Okay, next, how are you gonna save this as a CSV file. Okay, it's very important to save this data as a CSV file. In this case, we have done so. After some formatting, as you can see, we have the balance sheet here, comma delimited CSV file. You copy and paste the income statement, and you save it as a CSV file as well. Alright, next we go back to the website and we type in the company name. Okay, in this case, Microsoft. The industry, which industry you're going to select. You can go down here and stock analysis. Okay, overview, and you can check out the industry if you don't know. Okay, in this case, Microsoft is software infrastructure, and sector is technology, right? So what you're going to do is just type out software infrastructure, and the sector will be selected, okay, for you. The financial statements of Microsoft is in millions. It's a huge company. The currency US dollars, and the financial year end is June 2023 in this case. Okay, so select June as financial end. So how are you going to know that? How do you know the financial end of the company that you have chosen? Well, you can go to the financials, and it will state down here the fiscal year end is July to June. All right, this case. Next, you're going to upload the income statement that you have just copied, and the balance sheet. Okay, that's all, and you just need to press submit. Okay, MavInsights uses advanced analytics and AI to analyze some financial statements and come up with a report. So it's going to take about a minute to do so. So just wait patiently. Okay, once the result is out, you'll get this report here. Okay, in this case, Microsoft overall grade is B. Okay, it will analyze the various key performance indicators that are important for valuation of the company, such as the revenue, gross profit, operating profit, cash conversion cycle, which Microsoft got B as well, because it has issues with accounts receivable, which perform. Okay, inventory is lower than benchmark, but the accounts receivable is higher than benchmark and is increasing. okay, from 72, 73 days to now 80 days. That's why I got a grade E. I think Microsoft needs to look into this because it's higher than industry benchmark as well as increasing trend. So it's not a very good thing. That's why I got an E here. Alright, and then accounts payable as well, and then it has asset turnover ratio, which is performing quite well. The benchmark is over here 0.5, and it's Microsoft is higher, right? And then it has return on total assets, which is how well Microsoft uses assets to generate profit, and it is way above the industry benchmark as well. Okay, so that's why I got an A here. All right, and interest coverage ratio is an A as well for Microsoft. So Microsoft did quite well. It got a B, which is good. Okay, so I've come to the end of my short tutorial on how you can use MavInsights from Mavenpolis to analyze and benchmark any company you want against the industry peers. Okay, if you need more help, you can actually go to learning resources here. Okay, you can go to here's an e-guide here which you can download, and there's a step-by-step guide. Okay, there's a guide here that you can follow step by step. You can download the sample Microsoft Financial CS in CSV format to test out yourself. Alright, and you can also download MavInsights CSV templates, which you can just key in the financial information of the companies that you want to analyze inside, and submit as well. Okay, for public companies, of course, you can just go to stock analysis or any like Yahoo Finance. Okay, this is the template that you can get if you download from MavInsights. Okay, these are the income statement and balance sheet templates. For the income statement template, you see here, alright, it's in CSV format. Okay, you must continue to save it in CSV format, and the year is an important role. Okay, you can extend, you can change the values, and you can add on more years. Alright, but don't insert the month and the day or whatever, or change the format. It's just years. Alright, and then the revenue wise, the other rows of information with revenue, gross profit, earnings before interest and tax, interest, profit before tax. Okay, so if it's for interest, I know it's an expense, but don't put negative sign. Alright, the computer will take care, the tool will take care of it. So if it's a loss, you insert negative sign in. Alright, profit if it's a loss. Okay, next you would have the balance sheet. Okay, for the balance sheet, it's the same. Alright, the year is important. The A1 cell is the year. Alright, then after that, you just need to fill in the accounts receivable, inventory, total assets, and accounts payable. Alright, so I believe all this information you can get from the financial statements of the company you want to analyze, whether it's a private company or a public company. So it's pretty straightforward. Alright, so if you don't want to copy and paste public company information like I showed you earlier, you can actually key in into the templates. So if you like this tutorial, please smash the like button below, and hopefully we can show you more videos of various companies that we analyze and more useful financial tools that you can use. Thank you.